Do you know the quickest way to grow on Instagram? Hey, what's going on, business owners? It's Riley from Vista Social, and I'm your agency associate. This is where we help grow your business and grow your clients' social media. Today, we will be talking about 3 key benefits to collaborative posts on Instagram. Before we dive into that, make sure you head over to our YouTube channel and make sure you subscribe, you like, you leave a comment, start a discussion, start a community, because that is why we're here. Why collaborative posts on Instagram are important, and a lot of people are doing it, but we have a simplified approach for you. Now let's get started. What is a collaborative post on Instagram? Collab posts on Instagram are a feature that allows 2 users to co-author and share the same post on their respective feeds or reels. So one of the key benefits of a collaborative post on Instagram is that it cross promotes with your profile with another profile. I like to say, as an example, a food blogger and a restaurant. If one of your clients is a restaurant, this is a prime opportunity to connect with a food blogger, have a collaborative post on Instagram, and share both profiles into one. So I pulled up right now Marcelo Eats. He is a food blogger in Toronto, but he does this all the time. Every post, it's a reel. And then he collaborated with Alpha Shawarma for Shawarma Day in Canada, I believe. Example, you see Marcelo Eats and Alpha Shawarma. So all the 771 likes are shared between 2 social profiles. Again, a great idea to grow your profile. This is like a hack when you boost your profile by likes, the engagement, the comments, and the algorithm will start picking that up and start pushing your profile even more. Again, this is a free and easy thing for you to do, is connect, especially if you're a restaurant, especially if you're like a takeout restaurant. Connect with food bloggers and have a collaboration on Instagram. It's a great way to spike up your engagement. Benefit number 2 for collaborative posts on Instagram, it builds a community. Yes, it builds a community with their following and your following. Again, once you're boosting your profile, your brand, and your community, you're already doing the pre-research on, is this the right profile to collaborate with? That's like the step 1 when you're doing a collaboration post, but it boosts your community, it builds trust with your audience, and it can only start building from there. So it not only boosts your engagement, it boosts your relationships and your community, and overall makes your profile feel and look stronger. Before we move forward, is there any ideas for your agency or for your clients? Let us know. Drop us a comment down below. We would love to see the creativity flowing here on Vista Social's YouTube channel. And finally, the last benefit for a collaborative post on Instagram is it's easier than you think. Super easy to do that on mobile and also on Vista Social. So Vista Social is the first and only social media management tool to offer Instagram collab posts, right? It's amazing. So let me show you how to do it. Super easy, super quick. So let's jump into Vista Social. Right now we are looking at the publish page, where this is where you're going to organize your social media posts. This is where you're going to put, this is the nitty gritty of Vista Social. So let's hang over to the left hand side where you see 92 Social, fellow agency. So let's highlight Instagram. So as you see under your post is where you write your content. To make this easier, I'm going to throw in a graphic to show you how to connect with another brand. All right, so now that I threw an image on Vista Social for 92 Social, our next step is to look for the collaborative tool. Now we have the image. Let's look a little bit more to the right. You see there's 3 options. Option 1 is tag a user, usually the first go-to when you're posting about something. Second is tag a product, especially if you're a storefront. And then number 3 is invite collaborators. This is where we want to be. So you're like, Riley, where do I go? How do I do this? You just click. All right, so now after you click the image, there's 3 options that we just went through: tag a user, tag a product, and tag a collaborator. So you hit that, and then this is where you can copy and paste the Instagram username, or you can just type it right in. I've already pre-written Vista Social. You highlight that. All you have to do is hit save. And now that you look just above the image, you see 92 Social and Vista Social. And when you could also post it right now, you can also hit the schedule and post it whenever. But when the post is going to be live is when Vista Social will get the notification to accept it or deny it. So now that you've written your content, you tagged your collaborator, you can either hit schedule, publish now, you'll get the notification, and you're off and going. It is that simple to elevate your agency or elevate your client work. So that is a quick roundup of 3 benefits for using Instagram collaboration for your posts. Super easy, super beneficial for your client work or for your agency. If you want to learn a little bit more about Vista Social, we have a demo link down below in the description, and one of us will reach out and we'll take you throughout the platform to see if it's right for you and your clients. Also, we have a blog all about this. Yes, our blog is also linked down below, step by step on what you need to know, where to go, and also you can just sign up as well. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message, Riley@vistasocial.com, and we'll see you in the next one.